I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why this building is gonna become one of the most exclusive addresses here in downtown Miami. And number 2 is gonna blow your mind. I'm Valentina, andiamo, follow me. And buongiorno Miami! Welcome back to another episode of Breaking Ground with Valentina, your inside look at South Florida new construction. Again, this is your favorite Italian realtor, bringing you the latest opportunities in real estate, always with a touch of Italian flavor. Delano! E andiamo! Welcome to this amazing experience. Look at this. The simulator is fantastic. It's going to show you exactly the view that you're going to be seeing from this building. This is the 15th floor. Sorry, it takes my breath away. Look at this. 15th floor. The building is 90 floors. It's a combination of residential units that you can rent and private residences, okay? So there is an opportunity to do pretty much whatever you like. Let's see, let's go up a little bit more. Let's see what floor is gonna take us to the gym. Don't you feel like inspired to work out here? Incredible, look at this. This view will inspire anybody to work out. Look at this. So many things to say. So we're right here in downtown, right next to the Waldorf Astoria that is also getting built. Same developer, PMG, in collaboration with the famous architect Carlos Ott. Oh, and we're going up a little bit more. Now, what I want to point out is an amazing incentive that we don't know how long it's going to last because it's really until supplies last. So if you buy a residence right now, in a particular line, you're also entitled to receive an amazing office with a separate deed as well as a different suite. So if you buy a private residence, you also get an office space and basically an hotel room that you can rent or use for your personal use, rent long term, do whatever you like. It's a limited promotion that we're doing right now. So send me a comment and I'll give you all the details. 3 amazing reasons to buy here. So let me tell you, number 1, you're gonna have an observation deck in this building. Insane. Number 2, this is what really blew my mind. Right now, for a limited time, you can buy 1 property and you get 3 with a separate deed. Yes, you heard it right. So you buy a private residence, you get the second one, which is from the collection hotel. So basically you can use it for yourself, you can rent to others, and it's furnished on top of it all. And 3, you get an office space that you can rent to others or use for yourself, whatever you want to do. Insane. So this is an amazing promotion. I don't know how long it's going to last. So please send me a comment, ask me, and I'll let you know. And I'll try to get you in as fast as possible. And then number 3 that I also love is the Delano Beach Club access. That is also an amazing benefit. If you buy here, you get access to the beach club. Not only that, but they're going to have a private car that is going to take you there. So no effort whatsoever. You get to enjoy the downtown life and also the beach life. And look at this amazing kitchen. You know that I love the kitchens. And look at this. There is also 4, options that you can choose from for both countertops and flooring. So you can really make it bespoke to your taste. Well, it was a hot day here in Miami shooting, but we pulled through. I hope you enjoyed this episode here at the Delano in downtown Miami. There is so many aspects of this project that make it so unique and so amazing for this part of town. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Send me your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any friends and family that want to take their next move in real estate, you know how to find me. Thanks for watching. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.